Today, artificial intelligence is transforming the world faster than ever before. Applications like ChatGPT, self-driving cars, facial recognition, AI image generators, and virtual assistants are all powered by something called AI models. But what exactly is an AI model? How does ChatGPT understand your questions? And why are transformer models and attention mechanisms considered revolutionary in modern AI? AI models are computer systems designed to learn patterns from data and make intelligent decisions. These models try to mimic certain human cognitive abilities such as learning, reasoning, prediction, and problem-solving. One of the most important AI model structures is the neural network. Neural networks are inspired by the human brain. Just as neurons in our brain communicate with each other, artificial neural networks contain interconnected nodes that process information. When these neural networks become very deep with many layers, the technology is called deep learning. Deep learning models can recognize faces, understand speech, translate languages, generate images, and even create human-like conversations. The power of AI models depends heavily on training data. The more high-quality data the model receives, the better it becomes at learning patterns. Today, AI models are used in healthcare, finance, education, cybersecurity, transportation, and entertainment. Different AI problems require different modeling techniques. One common technique is linear regression, which predicts numerical values such as sales forecasts or house prices. Decision trees create branching decisions similar to flowcharts and are often used in classification tasks. Random forest combines multiple decision trees to improve prediction accuracy. Support vector machines, also known as SVMs, are powerful models for classification and pattern recognition. K-nearest neighbors, or KNN, classifies data based on similarity to nearby data points. Clustering algorithms such as K-means group similar data together without predefined labels. Principal component analysis, or PCA, reduces complex high-dimensional data into simpler forms. Gradient boosting improves predictions step by step by correcting previous errors. Finally, recurrent neural networks and long short-term memory models are specialized for sequential data such as language and speech. Each technique has strengths and weaknesses depending on the type of problem being solved. ChatGPT is based on a powerful architecture called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is trained on enormous amounts of text data collected from books, articles, websites, and other written materials. The model learns patterns in language and predicts the next most likely word in a sentence. For example, if you write, "The sun rises in the model can predict the next word as east. But modern GPT models do far more than simple prediction. They understand context, grammar, relationships between words, and even conversational meaning. The transformer architecture allows ChatGPT to process entire sentences in parallel, making it extremely efficient for language understanding. This technology enables AI systems to answer questions, summarize documents, write essays, generate code, and hold natural conversations. AI is not limited to text generation. Modern AI models can also create realistic images from simple text descriptions. One famous technology is GANs, or Generative Adversarial Networks. GANs contain two competing networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates images, while the discriminator evaluates whether the image looks real or fake. Through continuous competition, the generator becomes increasingly skilled at producing realistic images. Another technique is variational autoencoders, or VAEs, which learn compressed representations of images and generate new variations. AI image generation is now widely used in digital art, gaming, film production, advertising, and content creation. One of the biggest breakthroughs in AI came in 2017 with the introduction of transformer models. Transformers revolutionized natural language processing by replacing older sequential architectures. Unlike traditional models, transformers can understand relationships between words across an entire sentence simultaneously. Key components of transformers include self-attention mechanisms, encoder-decoder architecture, multi-head attention, positional encoding, and feed-forward neural networks. These innovations allow transformer models to understand long-range dependencies and context more effectively. Today, transformer architectures power many advanced AI systems including ChatGPT, Gemini, Bard, and modern translation systems. The attention mechanism is one of the most important innovations in modern AI. Imagine reading a sentence. Your brain naturally focuses more on important words than less important ones. AI models work similarly. Attention mechanisms help the model identify which words or data points are most relevant at a given moment. The process involves three important concepts: keys, queries, and values. The model compares relationships between these elements to calculate attention scores. Words with higher attention scores receive more focus from the AI model. For example, in the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat." If the model is focusing on the word cat, it assigns greater importance to related words in the sentence. Multi-head attention allows the model to examine multiple relationships simultaneously, making language understanding much more powerful. This mechanism is what allows modern AI systems to generate coherent, context-aware responses. Modern AI systems are becoming multimodal. This means they can understand and process multiple types of data at the same time, including text, images, audio, and video. For example, multimodal AI can describe images, answer questions about photos, convert speech into text, and even analyze videos. Google Gemini and other advanced systems are examples of multimodal AI. The future of AI models is incredibly exciting. As these technologies continue evolving, AI will become more intelligent, more creative, and more integrated into everyday life. However, responsible and ethical use of AI will remain extremely important to ensure fairness, privacy, and trust. AI models are transforming the world around us. From ChatGPT and image generation to transformers and attention mechanisms, these technologies are shaping the future of communication, business, science, and creativity.